Hey guys, so I've been wanting to do another day in the life, so I decided to do it today. Me and Zach are about to go on a trip in 2 days. So I'm gonna start packing, so I'm gonna have you guys pack with me too throughout the day. This is our second day in the life. So we are going to like Zion National Park and Bryce Canyon and Southwest Utah. So we're excited for our 10th anniversary. It's gonna be so fun, but at the same time, I am actually weaning Ezra right now, so it is kind of sad. Like, I'm excited to go, but I'm also like sad that like we're no longer gonna be on like this breastfeeding journey. And so he's 2 now, so I know he'll be okay. It's just kind of like that. I don't know, I just feel kind of sad about it. But I'm excited about the trip. I try to keep my closet on the minimal side. Like, I've talked a little bit about how I like to keep things more minimal. My closet is no different. So I have not a small wardrobe, like I have quite a few clothing items, but this is all of my clothes. Like, so even with packing, like I'm just taking a carry-on. We're going for 5 days, so we're just both taking carry-ons, and it's not gonna be cold or anything. So either way, it's gonna be awesome, and we're really excited. So this is our 10th anniversary trip. It's gonna be like 90 degrees there, which is kind of a bummer. I was hoping it'd be a little bit cooler, but that is what we've got. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a few things out of the closet and throw them out on the bed and just see what I think about them. I'm sure I will change my mind a few times. So I'm going to take a break to get started on schoolwork. I like to start around 9:30, so I'm gonna go get all of that out. Okay, so our homeschool closet is a wreck. I need to reorganize. It is amazing how fast it gets disorganized. So we finished up schoolwork. I didn't grab out the camera a whole lot. I find it actually really distracting when I get a camera while I'm trying to focus and work with the kids for schoolwork. But we did do some origami at the end of the day. The kids like to watch YouTube and do origami sometimes. Now on to packing. So this is not a comprehensive list, but I definitely got a lot of my clothes packed up. So I grabbed one of my favorite plaid shirts. You can't go wrong with plaid to layer with. And then one of my favorite corduroy jackets. I think I might need a jacket. I don't know. It's supposed to be pretty warm, but we'll see if I need it or not. I just want to bring it to be on the safe side. My favorite t-shirt, you've probably seen me wear it in my videos, and a pair of Levi's that are super comfy. They're 501s, and they fit pretty good. I have another pair that I like better. And then my Danner boots that I've had for about a year. I haven't used them a whole lot, honestly, in the last 6 months because we just have not been out hiking. But I'm excited because we are going hiking, so I wanted to bring them along. I may end up wearing them like on the plane. A pair of shorts, some leggings, another t-shirt. So really low key here. Like I'm not going to dress up fancy. I have a few toiletry items and definitely some long socks and another favorite t-shirt. So I'm not planning on going on any fancy dinners at Zion, but I am excited that me and Zach get to go hiking by ourselves as much as we want. And then my favorite Teva sandals. They are just awesome sandals. I've had those for like 4 years now, and we're planning on hiking the Narrows, so I'll have those for that. And then of course my favorite fold-on hat from Sunday afternoons that I really like. We're actually like gonna change a plan, go for a hike. We need to get out, and so we're gonna go to one of our favorite spots. And so our hike lasted literally like 5 minutes. It's really hot still in the sun here in the middle of Texas. And so we came over to, they have a splash pad and a playground over by the trails. So yeah, that's what my kids are doing, and I think they needed it, So we ended up staying at the park for a lot longer than I had anticipated, but that's okay. So we got home, it's around 6 p.m. and I just am making everything leftovers out of the fridge because I'm trying to get rid of food that's in the fridge before we leave on our trip. So tonight I just have some quesadillas, cheese and meat, and that is it. And then I'll do a salad to go with it. So while the guys are hanging out with Zach right now after dinner, I'm gonna squeeze in like a little small workout. My sister-in-law texted my mom-in-law and my other sister-in-law a little over a week ago and was like, hey, do you guys want to do a 21-day fix thing? And so I've been trying to work out daily, working on the diet still, but anyway, so I really need to squeeze in this workout before it gets too late and I don't want to do it. So I just finished up that quick workout. Zach took the boys on a bike ride. This morning I was just like, there was so much going on, it was hard for me to remember to grab the camera. But I hope you enjoyed my day in the life. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I would love to have you follow along. Be sure to say hi if you decide to subscribe so that I can say hi back. And thank you guys for watching my day in the life.